Hello traders, it's Monday and here I have an updated version of my table. You could see in the first week we had 3,000 pips, an average of 3,000 pips. The second week we had 3,000 pips. The third week in January 3,000 pips, and the fourth week in January we had 9,000 pips. So this was like ×3 spike of previous weeks. Then the second in February we had 6,000 pips in the first week, 2,000 pips the second week, 2,000 pips the third week. So the last week in February I was hoping that we'll be getting something like 1,500 to 2,000 pips, because if we had ×3 of 3,000 to give us 9,000, I was expecting 6,000 divided by 3, then 2,000. So I knew that the subsequent weeks would give me 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. So this is March. What am I expecting according to the data I've had? Just because we had a spike in the fourth week in January and there was also a spike in the first week in February, there is definitely going to be a spike in March, but I can't say for sure if it is going to be the first week or the fourth week. It could be any of the weeks, but just be prepared that there's going to be a major spike in number of pips in March. And then the days you should pay attention to from January and February, we could see that we had Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and so I think Monday, Wednesday, Friday takes a higher percentage of the days we should really watch out for. And counting the number of Mondays that are shown on my table, I have 3 Mondays. Then Wednesday I have 1, 2, 3, 4 Wednesdays, and then Friday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this number should tell you how you should pay attention to those days. So you should pay more attention to Fridays, Wednesday, and Monday this coming week. So at the end of this first week in March, I'm expecting either Monday or Wednesday or Friday should be the high or low of the week.